Today we are in a private server, not in a private server. We are in the normal servers. Um, I usually play in private, but for the video where we are playing in, um, yeah, one with people. So wait, I had to go to the bathroom. I'm quickly gonna stop the clip and play another clip. Okay, guys, I'm back from the bathroom. Oh, seats just restocked after me being in the bathroom. Nice. We're gonna check if there's any insane items. Oh, watermelon. There's watermelon restock. What's that? Coconut seed. I already have a few trees, but you know, they never restock the coconuts and stuff like that, so 'cause of that, and they never restock that and stuff, you know, we just buy them. You know, this is all my corn I bought, all my tomatoes. I'm giving y'all a tour of my garden. This is my tree. I love this tree. I think it was the original one I ever planted, or something like that. Here is bamboo and the biggest tree in my garden. It's a massive coconut tree. There's a frozen coconut up there. So yeah, that's insane. Yeah, I just have to go all the way to this tree. I usually like climbing up here. Then here is 4 apple trees planted in next to each other. Yeah, four. And then over here is a mango tree. I usually climb mangoes and give it out to players. That's what we're doing today. Here is my blueberries. They are weird and too grown and stuff. These look golden, but they're not. They're just pumpkins. I will collect them later. I grew them because I needed to give one to that massive plant that gives you seed packs if you complete his nonsense. So I'm just claiming these, and here's another tree, and yeah, that's it. I'm gonna quickly sell my inventory so that after selling my inventory I'll have an open backpack and stuff. Got anything to sell? Oh yeah, there's 18k. I didn't have much. Yeah, and some of you guys are probably wondering, why am I not playing on PC? Why am I on mobile? It's a joke. No, it's not a joke. I don't know how to screen record on my PC. I do know, but it's kind of glitchy and laggy, and yeah, I don't really like to screen record and play on my PC that much. So I'm just doing the mobile. I'm trying to collect the mango, but it's too high up. And yes, that's why I'm climbing on my bamboo, but I'm scared I'm gonna climb my own bamboo. I just claimed bamboo, I think. Yeah, I think that's enough. They're like 5k each worth per mango, I think. Hope so. I don't know. I'm so glad I bought this mango tree. Oh, it's not mangoes. It's literally leaves and stuff. There's my friend. Shout out to him. He's probably gonna watch this video soon. So shout out to him. Oh, I don't want to talk. Hell no. Okay. Here's my friend's garden. He started playing today. Not bad for today. A few hours ago. Oh, I accidentally claimed his stuff. But yeah, that's his garden. And then right over here is someone else's garden. Don't know this person, but we are giving him. Yeah, let's give him something. Not an apple seed. We're not giving anyone seeds because we can't. Oh, I have to search. I can't scroll down. That's messed up. When is my keyboard popping up? Okay. Man. Okay. Wait, where the hell did it go? Nah, that's messed up. Mango. Search. Okay, we got a 12 kilogram mango. Not bad, yeah. We are giving this to someone. I think it's worth like 4k, 5k, something like that. Sorry, just a comment from Damien. Shout out to him as well. Okay, there's nobody here. Wait. Maybe here. There's people popping up. Let's give them. Okay, I gave him a gift. Okay, I have to send request to him. What's he gonna give to me? Nah. He didn't even say anything. He's just a chill guy, honestly. Okay. Let's check what's in stock. Watermelon seed? Sure. Nah. There's nothing. He didn't even say thank you. Someone took a gift from me and they didn't say thank you. It's between ABO3LAT UT. Stands for YouTube. But nah, he didn't say thank you. Or it was him. I think he didn't say thank you. That's messed up. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is the only other garden I see. And there's also one there. So we're gonna check here if there's someone. There's nobody. Oh, nice. They have a dragon fruit tree. Something I still need. I saw they got rid of all their small plants and only have trees. That's smart. I should do that when I get more plants one day. And they're busy growing another tree. Okay, here's my boy, my friend. Let's give him something. Let's give him something. Yeah. Mango. Okay. What about a 16 kilogram mango? There you go. Okay, I just said I hope you enjoy. Yeah. He's not responding. He's like an NPC right now. Oh, some of my plants are freezing right now, I'm telling you guys. What? He's literally saying what? The mango. Whatever. We're giving him, I think, another mango. Yeah, I think so. Mangoes are pretty valuable, so I don't really care. Bruh, he's an NPC, he doesn't even know what a mango is. Well, whatever, I can't judge. Valuable. I have to say valuable and I forgot how to spell it. Wait, I'm gonna change my sentence. What does he say? I don't know that much English. Oh, okay. Okay, my friend just joined, Turtle. I think he left. This is the only garden left on the side. On this side there's no garden. So here's the garden with only trees. We've been here, there's no one here. No, it's not. It's a different garden, I believe. But whatever. Nobody really here. I have to close my chat. Who's Donar? Isn't it just him? Oh yeah, it is him. He says wow. Is he at the cell station? No, he's not. Oh, here's someone. Here's someone. Let's give him mango. Okay. 20 kilogram. My boy? My boy? Where are you at? I'm giving everybody mango today. You better don't pull NPC mode on me. Where is he? He disappeared. I wanna give everyone mango and he's disappearing. And where is he? Where's he? He's like gone, the guy with only trees. We need to give everyone mango. Now Turtle Blocks 3x, he's my friend or whatever. I gave him a lot of mango today. But, well, oh, there's someone. Yeah, there he is. Let's give him mango. Bro. Accept my dang mango, you dumb mango. Bro, he's probably just buying seeds right now. Seeds has been restocked. So because the seed is restocked, he took it. He took the mango. Let's see if how he responds. Yeah, let's see how he responds. He's in my garden, probably checking the place out. Or he's gonna steal one of my he's gonna steal one of my stuff, maybe. But it costs Robux to steal my stuff, so he's climbing on my frozen bamboo. I think we need to give him something else. Yeah. Let's give him a mango. Another one, cause he's an NPC mode. Bro, it seems like he's taking my mango. What's this? Nah, bro. He's like climbing, and then he's NPC. Okay, but that's the end of the video. We only had one insane reaction. I'm gonna go to other servers, go to new players that's really low on the leaderboard. Wait, let me check leaderboard. We're gonna check new players that's really low on the leaderboard. For example, Danar, he's really low on the leaderboard. That's why he reacted good. So we are going to go and give players like that insane items, like items worth 400k. I have items worth 400k. For example, let's go to my this one, frozen dragon fruit. It's not worth the most, but if I go to sell and I unheart it because it's heart. Okay, now I'm gonna unheart it. How much is this worth? Now you're gonna see that it's worth, oh, it's 42k. Sorry, it's not that much. I probably unhearted it and sold it the other day. That's one worth that much. So yeah. Oh, he gave me a tomato, my friend. Okay, but that's the video. I'm gonna edit this video and comment down below if I should go in other servers and server hop for the video and give everyone free mangoes and items like this. Okay guys, now my boy here kept on saying mango ice in the chat. Mango ice, and he also said mango ice here. So it indicates that he wants mango ice. Hope so. I'm gonna search mango ice. There. This is his because he was kind of asking for it, and I gave it to him. What is this stuff? Yeah, I gave mango ice to him. So I think that's what he wants. And yeah, sorry I just added to add this clip because usually I play a small while after I stopped filming instead of immediately going to film because yeah, Mango Big. Yes. I don't understand what he means. He's probably a small child that can't really talk. He probably means that my mangoes are big and I have a mango ice or something. I don't know. But bye guys. That's it. Guys, we just asked please mango big. So I think he wants a big mango. But I don't understand cause you know he keeps on begging me for stuff. Sure, I'll give it to him. Oh, there's the big mango. I just got it. There. It's the big mango he's talking about. Bro, he keeps on talking about big mango. This is big mango. Um, wait. Nah, he's not taking it. Whatever, guys. Please don't troll him on Roblox by his username after seeing this video. It might just be a small kid that can't spell because please is spelled wrong and he barely types in chat. And when he says something, it's weird, so please don't troll him. Please don't mess up his account. Just leave the thing. No, the child, not the thing. Leave the child. And yeah, whatever. I did what I was supposed to do. Bye, guys.